Hey everybody, what's up? Let's see what market is doing today. Um, Welcome everybody who joined me today. If you joined just right now, uh, hit like and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, let's see who is watching and drop high in the comment. That's going to be awesome. So like today, the market printed really crazy market open, and you can see here on the S&P 500 we got the opening range from 5475. We opened it a little bit higher than yesterday closing, and so today, well, it's kind of crazy to see this kind of action. I was looking for the markets for the last couple of minutes, and it's interesting to see how it's going to go through the day. Right now, it's looks like we are popping to the downside. You can see we got this rising trend line. We got the breakout from it, so it's likely that we're going to a little bit to see a little correction over here down to 500s. That's it. That is what I'm looking for. And yeah, so for Bitcoin, so Bitcoin is actually moving slightly different. We can see we opened pretty much in same fashion. We got the push to the upside to 59,300s. And right now we back below 59,000, so we're still there. We're still in this range. Yesterday we was roasted on the market. I got about minus $500 on yesterday trading session, and in the night I tried to open another short and just cover it by shy $300. So yeah, it is what it is. So minus $200 over yesterday. But yeah, today's new day. We're going to try and try to trade this day and see how it will go. So for now, it's really hard to say what the expectation is going to be on Bitcoin. We got the rejection from this support line over here. So we broke through this support line. This is why I actually shorted the market yesterday at night, because of breakout of this trend line. And the more in today's morning, in Europe morning, I mean, I got the notification that the market reached my take profit level, and yeah, it was plus $300. I didn't want to risk too much because it was overnight trade. I don't really like overnight trades on the futures. That's sometimes it could be even more painful than when you're trading inside the day. So, so yeah, looking for opportunities over here on 30-second chart. I got pretty much. So we got this exhaustion from the buyers, and right now we're pushing to the downside. So I don't know. Maybe we could go. Let's see what we have here. So we broke through previous hourly low. We can actually try to short this one. I'm gonna try to short this because you can see over here I got this rising support line. We trying to break through it, and currently we trying to break through previous hourly low. So that is possibility for a short entry over here. Let's see how we can go. At this, let's see. I noticed that market is moved to even more fear levels. Yesterday we was at 31. Right now we at 29. So we kind of still in this area of fear over the market. And yeah, let's see. All right. So it'll pop to the upside. Let's see how it will go. So previous high was at 59,400. So what is going on in our chat room? I'm going to ping some people over here. So what we got here, folks, on S&P, kind of moving in sideways over here. So all right. So 550809, trying to push through tens. I don't know. The market is actually going upward, so I shorted this bottom. This is kind of nice. What is your expectations, guys? Who watching us right now? Let me know your expectations over the market, and that's going to be interesting to see. Let's see how it goes. So 58 800s. It's really interesting that we got two markets that are moving in pretty much similar direction, and but intraday movements are totally different. They're totally different, and yeah. So I'm watching over here the 59. The 59. I don't really want to see market going past 59 for this short. Let's hope that is not going to happen. Let's see. I'm trying this over here. So that is interesting how it's going to go during this day. Are we going to go below 59? Are we going to close below 59? Or are we going to get above 59 and go to 60s? I don't know. Because the opening range was quite interesting. We got some nice price action to the upside over here. However, we didn't manage to, to fix above it. And so right now we're retesting 59s, and I'm going to, I'm going to get a stop loss above 59s, just for, I don't know, just 59.70s, just for safety. I'm not really sure if we're going to hold there or not, because we got this resistance over here at 59. So yeah, that is. So that's why I'm over here. Let's see if we're going to get rejection over here at 59. We're possibly going to add another one to this position and try to get better entry. Yesterday market was really really hard to trade. It was instantaneous. You have to think fast, you have to act fast, push the buttons fast as well. That was kind of hard to trade and to read as well. And especially was hard to play in the placement of the stop losses. So for those who watched yesterday live stream, I got a few entries over here, a few short at 60, if I recall correctly, at 800s. I placed a stop loss at 6,900, and I was washed out by the market just in matters of few minutes. And so, yeah, that's a kind of market that you see over here, that 30-minute candlestick. However, inside the day, we got so many actions, we got so many things going on. So that just washing away the stop losses, and yeah, sometimes it's just hard to trade. Yeah, so um just 1 second, I'm going to. So let's see, S&P making sideways over here, created some kind of support area at 505. So let's see, maybe it will go to break down through this. I don't know. I don't really want to simultaneously trade two markets today, because it's kind of distraction, to be honest with you. Uh, oh right, Brian, looking for this live stream. So yeah, Brian. Yeah, I'm in short currently. I'm looking to add a little bit more to position over here. And yeah, so I'm looking for adding on this position in case we're going to reject through 59s. However, if we're going to break through 59s, it's going to be on my stop loss. So yeah, I kind of shorted this breakout through 58, 58, 585. But you can see we even broke through 58, 500 on this move. But the market is not respecting this kind of breakouts. So yeah, I'm just looking for possibility to add on this position, and just looking to, or just to cut the trade if we're going to get a bad entry on over here. So you can see we're trying to push through 59s, trying to push through 59s, very tight range over here. So right, so it's just trying to push over to these 59s. So what has actually happened on this? You can see on 30-minute time frame we got rejection over 59s, then push back to VWAP, and then right now we are still trading here, and point of control. You can see on the volume profile we are at point of control, and right here we are pushing to 58 900s. Let's see. Hmm. All right, folks. So looking for we got breaking out from this trend line, so I guess we're going to get an stop loss over here. Yep, that's closed. So it's about minus $300 on this trade, and let's see where the market is going to go. So we're back above this support line. We're back above the support line. We're back above point of control. We still got like 50 minutes to go on this candlestick. Let's see how it will develop over here. S&P looks like it's not moving around. It's just 505. Slowly taking some. That looks like some algorithmic trading over here, and just taking short profits. Take entries lower, take profits over here. So guys, if you're watching this right now, give me a favor, hit thumbs up below the video. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, just subscribe to help things out. There is more videos to come. I preparing some stuff in the background. So yeah, I'm going to try to make these live streams at least every working days, because why at least? Because sometimes we got some electricity shutdowns in Ukraine, so sometimes it's just impossible to go on the live stream. So yeah, if we're going to get more stable electricity, I'm going to try to push these live streams every working days, and this pretty much in the same time, just simply because what I find is that US market open, like over here, it's most of the time, through the day in time frames, we got most of the price action. So that's why I'm here. I'm trying to trade these market opens, and I find them really interesting. We got most of the volume, we got most of the liquidity happening exactly at this time. So so it is like, what is the time over here? So I got right now 4:15 p.m. in Ukraine, and where we at? Like for example, in New York, we got 9.915. So you can see that the market is opened in US, and we got this multiple price action opportunities. So yeah, just tune in. Tune in at the same time. So going back to 58. Oh my god. It's really choppy price action. I guess this is why it's so hard to get a good trade. But yeah, obviously my entry was a shit over here. I thought we're going to break through 58 in just one shot. However, it's not happening. So yeah, it is what it is. So going to look for another opportunities over here. Guys, what trades did you catch yesterday? Because it's interesting. Have you catched any of these price action? Did you try to short or long over here? Let me know what you guys doing on the market yesterday, and what is your what is your PNL if you do it? Did this yesterday? Let me know. That is really interesting. So let's see where we at. Hmm. Right. So we're back below. Damn. I'm getting this kind of feeling of tilt, when if I'm going to short this right now, it's going to go up, That's kind of feeling right now. And yeah, so if I'm going to correct this trend line, we still got below this trend line. However, I don't really enjoy this. To be honest, we're still below the trend line over here. That's kind of funky price action over here on point of control. That's some buyer step in, some seller step in. So this is kind of shaky and hard price action, to say at least. So guys, let me know what is your position over here in the markets. It's really curious, to see. Very curious to see. So S&P going a little bit lower to 503. Little bit lower, 15 minute time frame here. Got some doji candlestick over here, and yeah, the opening range is really big. So we got breakout from this area of 5471, and we got this gap over here at 5470. What else do we have? 5489, 500s. So it looks like S&P is just chilling over here at 504. Nothing happening. Going to highlight this resistance over here. And you know, so got another rejection from 59. Going to try to short over here. Going to put stop loss at 59 100 once again. Let's see how it will go. So why I'm shorting this one is just because of these rejections over here from the trend line and from the level of 59. And we are currently locating at the point of control over here on 30-minute time frame. So, it's kind of risky area, but we still kind of far away from VWAP over here. We got this pretty strong resistance on 59, 60,000. However, 60,000 is pretty far away from current range, right? But yeah, going to be. I don't want to have any big trades over here. I want to scalp a small trade. Let's try this one. What I find out on Bitcoin, when you're trading inside day, you got to have some pretty wild stop loss numbers. Sometimes just too far away from the entries. like when I'm comparing to S&P trading, is just a little bit different. What we got over here, we could have much tighter stop losses, and yeah, because I guess market traders and they respect some levels, some things more than traders over here on Bitcoin. So yeah, this is like my idea over here. I don't know if it's true. However, this is what I'm kind of feeling over here. So let's see how it will go. Let's see. Still bouncing around 59. Still bouncing around 59. Let's see if we can push more. We need more sellers to push this one to the downside. Here we go, pushing to the 59s. Oh my god, we going just sideways. So I was looking and on the long short ratio recently, and I got almost like 50-50, being 50.1 to the short side and being 49.9 to the long side currently. And yeah, so look at this trying to break out through 59s. Let's see. Yeah, and I was analyzing recent trades on the Bitcoin, and I find out that most of my profitable trades on Bitcoin was actually short. And I was kind of surprised by that. Mm, it's like I didn't expect that, to be honest. I thought longs going to be more profitable. However, most of my trades on the Bitcoin from past months was actually sure most profitable were from them was shorts. So you know, kind of makes sense, I guess, because we got a lot of downtrend movements over Bitcoin since July, and that's kind of makes sense. So tilt over here at 50% long, 50% short. Nothing too major. So what else do we got? So market's trying to push over against my stop loss again. Let's see how it goes. Sometimes there is a times on the market when you you think you will go to long, but you actually need to short, right? And yeah, I kind of guess this is it. So yeah, we got another stop out. So at 59,100, we got stop out from this short trade. So the market is breaking out through resistances through 59s. So I got 3 minutes to go on this candlestick. I'm going to wait on this one. And let's see. Let's see how it goes. What kind of news do we have since yesterday? I want to remind you guys. Yesterday we got CPI news. It was really wild day and wild market action. And so we got CPI numbers at 2.9%, lower than expected. However, today, pretty much nothing. Pretty much nothing to see on the market news. Mm, so So another 3 minutes to go on the markets. We're going to see Chicago Open. We're going to see Chicago Open. Let's see how it will work out. So we got breakout through resistance over here on S&P. Let me so we got breakout through resistance over here on S&P. Got pretty much the same price action over here on the Bitcoin. We got breakout through resistance over here as well. So they kind of synchronized in between. However, the market shape, you can see the kind of different. We got here more volatile and more dramatic price movements. Right here, we got more concise and more choppiness, I should say. Yeah, so let's see. So 59,100. Pushing a little bit to the upside. I don't know. We're going to wait just a 2 minutes, almost 1 minute, before Chicago Open, and see how it goes. Just 1 minute. So I'm kind of expecting that S&P going to push more to the upside. It's already pushing. Just 30 seconds to go. 30 seconds. 30 seconds to go. 25. 20. 15 seconds. 10. 5. 4. 3, 2, 1. In Chicago Open. So yeah, they push into the upside, going long with them. And it's not responding. Oh my gosh. This is kind of... It's not responding. I click it on the buy button. It's not responding. This is craziness. Yeah. So we got the entry over here. Pushing through 500s. Over here. Adding more. So I got 10 contracts over here. Ready to take some profits at, I don't know, maybe 5,520. That's a good place to take profits. Let's switch to over 30-minute time frame and see what is happening over here. We don't have anything. Some seller step in. So you can see we got 5,570. That's a major resistance over here. And kind of far away from it, but yeah. I'm going to synchronize this. So seller step in from this move. Trying to retest 500s once again. 15s. Pushing to the north side once again for 17s. We're trying to push over here from 17s. What is Bitcoin doing? Kind of bouncy. Kind of bouncy over here. We got some rejection from this line. And we're building support line over here, I think. That's kind of rising wedge formation. This kind of, oh shit, this going break through the entries and making retest of 500s. See how it goes. Bitcoin breakout. Bitcoin breakout through 59,200s, and it's kind of good breakout, and we kind of fixing above this point of control area. Let's see if Bitcoin can break through 59 400 area. A little rejection candle over here. So pushing more to the upside. So interesting to see where it's going to break. Where it's going to break from here. So we got the retest of 510s, and right now back to this range, and yeah, let's see if we can stay or break, or we're just going to have a stop out. Bitcoin break through 400s. Break through 400s. Let's see how it will go there. Some kind of rejection over here from 59 400s, but we got higher high over here at 59 437, and here we got 59 404. So we got higher high technically, and let's see where it's going to retest over here at 59, or go lower. Once again, if the market is going to go in range bound, market is going to be really hard to trade. And right now it's kind of still trying to go there. S&P kicking around. So, yep, trying to push through. Not. Not breaking through highs, not breaking through 5,517s. Trying to push one more. We need more buyers over here. Yep, push it. Once again. It's a little bit more, a little bit further, and yeah. I'm going to put take profit over here at 25s. So we got some kind of trend line over here. Going back to this range of 514s, 15s. So let's see how it will go. Probably going to break through this line. Not looking too strong, not looking too weak to me. It just bouncing around this level. However, it's nice to see that we are broken through 500s over here at this opening, and then we retested it once again. So there is a high chance that we're going to see higher prices today. So yeah, let's wait on this one. So Bitcoin trying to break out. We got this consolidation over here at 559 400s, and kind of trying to push. Let's see, we got some it's really suspicious price action. We got this consolidation. Normally, if we got some buyer step in, we're going to have a breakout, but it doesn't seem like we got this. We're kind of still pushing to the downside over here, trying to push, you know. So watching here, I'm not ready to open this trades right now. Very, very choppy. Wow, it's chopping down again. Chopping down again. Um, so this was kind of small distribution over here. Back to 59 200s. This one broke through this support in back to 505. Back to 505. Let's see if it's going to hold this one or not. If not, I'm going to cut this trade. It's not going to hold this one. So Bitcoin is not holding over here. This is just going simply down over here. I'm going to add a small position over here on the short. Going to take a stop loss. And this is 160 to stop loss. Let's see how it will go. S&P count holding over 505. And yeah, if it's going to hold there, it's going to be a really good trade. I'm going to set stop loss below this area, 505, 504. Yep, that's good to me. And Bitcoin, not pushing. Like, we don't have any breakouts, and it's kind of still got breakout from this trend line. It's kind of interesting to see if we're going to respect this breakout or not. That's definitely an exhausting price action, really exhausting price action to me. So S&P 510s again. So it's really slowly pushing to the downside. It looks like we don't have too much power to push to the downside, but and when we got to 59s, once again, it just didn't show any power to go higher as well. So it's kind of mixed, I should say, pretty mixed scenarios over here. This area is pretty strong, of around 59, $60,000. So where's the 60? So it's over here. Let me highlight 60s. So 60s, right? And we got 60.500, and again 59,800 as well. So this is the area of really big. You can see how bouncy we was at this area, and yeah, it's really hard to trade. But if you're going to see breakout through 59,400, that's why I actually posting stop loss over here. Is that I'm looking at this area as a major breakout area. You can see from this pop, you can see that if we break through 59,400, that means that we possibly going to go really fast to the upside. So I don't want to be caught in this um, short if we're going to break through this area. That's not the price that I want to be. So yeah, we got higher high over here. Got small rejection on 59s. Got small rejection on 59s. Let's see. Really exhausting. Hi, Sylvia. Hi. Hey. How was your day? What you trading? Let's see. What you think about the market? So let's see. So S&P chopping around 509, 510. That's kind of exhausting price action over here as well. We kind of developing some kind of resistance right here. If we're going to push through, we're going to go to higher levels over here. But if not, that's not. So, what is Bitcoin doing over here? I kind of don't like today price action that's caught me in this short double first time over here, and right now on this breakout. It's kind of annoying. The market is kind of pushing, but the direction it's nowhere near from my liking. Right? Good, Sylvan, for you. Good. Really enjoying that you joined me today. Let's see what you're trading. What is your expectations over the markets? Let's see. What is your ideas? Do you think we're going to push over here from where we're at 59 200? Do you think we going to push through 59 500s today, or are we going to stay below that? Because right now it seems like the market is pushing over here. And I honestly don't like this price action because it's giving me some signals that I kind of interpret that is going to go down, and but it's not, and it's kind of got me in the situation where I got this short over here, and then right now I also thought, okay, we got the rejection from 59s, and that's kind of price action that I normally see in some scenarios, but that's kind of we got breakout through some support lines, and then market is just not respecting this. Okay, so you see market will go up. Okay, I got your point. I check it for market sentiment and market tilt, and we got pretty much 50-50 long and short over the markets, over the all exchanges around. So far it's really hard to tell. We got so this is kind of sideways action over here. Could be a trap. Could be a trap. So pushing 59 for hundreds. Yeah. looks like we're going to get to 59,700. That is likely level, and then we could fall for sharply. So looks like we're going to get stop loss over here. I'm going to cut this trade. Going to cut this trade. So minus $100 over here. So yeah, today is a day off, and a lot of countries maybe not enough volume to make a real move today. Yeah, that's probably the reason. However, I noticed that yeah, we kind of pushing to 59,400s for a couple of times. I don't really like to be in this trade. I don't really like to be in long or short right now, to be honest. And this kind of let's see on the different time frames what is going on Bitcoin. Maybe just need to recheck our positions. So on 1 hour time frame we got what we got here. Let me switch my. So 57, 755, 756. We got this low over here, and yeah, this is kind of tight range. So we are in the middle of the range right now. I'm going to switch over here to. Okay, let's clean chart. Where we at? So. So we're pushing this 59,400 once again, and this is key level one, like I expected, kind of. That is kind of really strong level for Bitcoin. And if we're going to get a breakout from this level, it's going to push prices to 60s, maybe 60.500, 60.600. So yeah, there is a level of 58. I personally would like to see that the market is kind of go to 58,600s, but not seems like it's going to go there. So far we don't have any kind of structure to support anything of this from 50-minute time frame. Not too much. It's interesting. It's interesting. Why it's pushing to the upside over here? If it's only a demant area, or there is a kind of some news in background happening. Let's see. So we kind of get this area of 59, no, almost 600, 6000 area. So this is kind of really hard range to trade, in my opinion. So let's see if we're going to push through 59,400 today, that's going to propel prices higher to 60,000. Right, guys, I see some people watching this stream and do me a favor once again, please hit thumbs up below this stream. We kind of roasted yesterday by almost 4,800, I think. Yeah, it was $4,800 loss on yesterday, and today we got about about minus 400. Let's see what we can do today to try to take the profits over here on the market. But right now the market is just stop out and just stopping in, and you can see this over here on 30-second chart. We just not moving around, and yeah, so it's kind of chopping from 59,400 down to 59, so $400 move. Yeah, let's see. Kind of pushing to the upside once again, 400s. S&P breaking out. Right, S&P breaking out to the upside from here. But yeah, Bitcoin is just moving around the same area. Oh, thank you for those likes who just pushed the like button. Thanks. Thanks a lot for that. Really appreciate this one. We got 4 likes right now. That's awesome. That is awesome. All right. So, pushing for 59,400. I'm stop out from this trade. I just don't want to risk anymore on this short. I tried to push on the shorts right here when we got the breakout from this trend line, but market is not respecting this one. So yeah, I kind of sometimes I kind of want to put a stop loss on Bitcoin tighter, but to the entry. However, in most cases, that's just not working. Oh my god, we're pushing through 500s. All right, interesting. This is kind of area of stop losses uh, that we discussed over here. And so market is trying to push through this area. I don't know. Maybe we can go for another trade, but I don't really want to risk too much over here. Let's see. Here's the rejection over here at 520s. So 520s, but we already make a new higher high. So new daily highs over here on the S&P. So I don't know. Bitcoin is breaking to the downside from this line, and we got this today. This daily high at 59,520. So our candlestick is closed. Let's see where we're going to push. We're pushing through 59,460. I'm going to try long here. Why not? Let's see. Maybe I'm just overwhelmed with this price action. And I'm going to put a really, really short stop loss at 59,300. Let's see how it will go. Okay, pushing through this daily high, new daily high on Bitcoin, 59,560. I don't want to risk too much, and I'm not going to add on this unless we're going to see more interesting price action. But now it's just speculation over here. $59,500s, 59,550s. Stop out there at 59,56, 587. Not much. Push a little bit more to 600s. No. Not going to push to 600. I'm going to place stop loss to the profits over here. I'm not sure that is going to push. It's really hard to break 59,600. Really hard to break 59,600. Let's see. Nope. Not pushing. Yeah, Silvan, just bought more AAVE for long term. Yeah, good call actually. That's good call on AAVE. I guess I had a chart for AAVE for this one. Oh, we break through 600s. Oh my god, nice, nice. We push more. No, that was quick. That was really quick. Oh my god, this was really fast. We're gonna get the stop out from here or what? Yeah, we got stop out. Oh my god, this was a quick, really quick price action over here. I don't know if you guys can catch this. I didn't. I didn't try, and yeah, it was really quick. That was really, really quick. So on this trade is just a shy plus $10, so it's really small. So 500s. So what we was talking about? We was talking about Aave, I guess. Where is it? Aave. Oh yeah, it's moving really nice. Really good catch. I traded it a little bit from 93 to 98, 99, and just didn't watch for more. But look at this. This is really good. So we got this wedge. We got and make a new higher high. This is good. Really nice catch. Really nice catch. This is good. This is good catch. So Bitcoin here pushing. We kind of pushed through 59,600 for a brief moment, like a few seconds, and then we go back below 59,500. That's kind of interesting. Sylvain, have a check on this whale. Later it will surprise you. What whale? I don't know what whale. Sorry, just So let's briefly back to Aave. So it's really nice trade over here on Aave, and it's, I kind of wanted to shoot for more, but I tried to be conservative on this one. Especially what we saw on Bitcoin yesterday, it was just a mess. However, even though we got downward movement on Bitcoin, Aave is still shooting to the upside, and still moving to the upside. It's still at 109. Got multiple levels over here. Got multiple levels over here on this one, and another level is 111. Yeah, so pretty interesting price action over here. Yeah, this is good. I actually noticed that Aave is making some moves. Oh, sorry. Aave BTC. On Aave BTC is actually making some decent price action. So you can see that Aave BTC is moving to the upside, and that's kind of abnormal, I should say, on the Bitcoin and sorry, not on the altcoins. To be honest, I didn't see a lot of coins or tokens that are going upside versus Bitcoin. Really small amounts like Solana, uh, Aave right now, and yeah, that's pretty much. No, Sylvan, I don't see any links in the chat. I don't see any links in the chat. Maybe you can ping me in the Telegram, and that's going to be a better option. Do you have my Telegram? Maybe Rune. Yeah, let's see Rune. Rune. Let's see USDT first. Yeah, it's actually doing pretty much the same. Pretty same price action. Actually breaking through this range. It's really good to see breaking through range of 3.7, 3.6. Breaking through this one. And target is 308. Sorry, 38. 3.8 going to be in the next area. And let's see Rune BTC. We're actually making rebound, but from long term, no, it's long. In long term, it's still moving to the downside, right? So compared to Aave, BTC, the difference here is that since beginning of this year in April, we pretty much got in sideways, in rising sideways, in comparison to the Rune, where we got mostly downward movement, right? So yeah, it's kind of interesting tokens and coins, but yeah, I think Aave is most interesting from that area. 110, we going over here. Nice movement by Aave. Nice movement. This is really good catch on Aave. I congratulate your pick. So let's see where we at on Bitcoin. 59,300. We touched 59,300. And what really hard price action to trade. So I don't know. Maybe you guys noticed as well that we got once we got to some levels, we kind of break through this level, making quick move to the upside and then back below. That's kind of nature of Bitcoin right now, and to me, it's really hard to trade. I'm trying to scalp these trades, but I'm still kind of training on this one, and still got a lot of hiccups on the way. So right now, let's see where we going. Okay, Sivan, I got your link. So got your link, and I'm going to. I'm sorry, that's not there. I'm going to try to open this one. I'm going to try to open this one. I don't know if I can show it. Let's see. I'm going to try to put this link on the stream. I don't know if I can do this, but I'm gonna try. No, Silvana, I'm not familiar with this website, Zerion. I'm going to let me just 1 second. I'm going to try to add this. I'm going to try to add this website to the screen right now.
My notebook. I'm literally.
So
We had. What do we have? 80% short there, Eddie? I think we had about
so
80% short.
82. Oh,
82.
you're talking about crude, right?
Crude, yeah.
so like this.
They were 82% long.
They were long.
In
For a while.
They were getting long, and now we're like we're on the.
So help me navigate through this. So I got this website for you. So you said that this address is some kind of whale that is
Look at that bounce
making
off
good
the
trades
NQ
over
up
here.
in the ES.
Is that right?
Yep.
The question is, how far does it run? You know what I mean?
Let
Because
me know.
all we're doing is watching volume decline.
Yeah, I've got that on the 730 bar as well, right?
Yes, sir.
You see that at
So, yeah.
55.29 quarter.
So
Yep.
we can see what is
Was
inside the wallet and
55.25 just a
crypto
little bit ago,
one by
but it
one.
continues
We
to
can
rise.
when
Continues to
he
rise,
bought.
yeah.
We can see what when he bought and when he
That's
sold.
trade.
Yeah, that's correct. I get this. So all right. So you can see. Oh, yeah, I got you. So he bought Aave over here.
Target's upside target. We like upside
Yeah,
targets.
this is really a lot.
Upside target in.
This is so he is just bought for $6 million bucks.
That 55.35.
Oh my god, this is crazy, really.
Which one? John,
And
is it
sold
with your guys?
Ethereum, right?
Said,
Is
hey,
that
listen,
correct,
that
or it's
55.35 area.
not this selling?
Didn't one
What
of your
is
guys
this?
have 55.35?
So this is the value,
55.35.
or this is the
There's a big gap in levels from 35 to
the
70.
live
It says the
PNL.
upside
What is
target,
this?
55.70, the upside target, or 81s.
Yeah.
Which Ray likes
Which is the
81s upside
ATR
target.
expansion.
Yep.
All right, so he bought Aave,
Hogue,
and
looks like you
let's
might be on
see
mute.
how it looks.
Oh,
This
you
Aave price.
daddy iceberg, you bad man.
And
Daddy iceberg.
And we've got
yep.
Very
So I got here.
Yeah, you guys call it even.
55.70's resistance according to Coach Vince.
So,
They have a couple of good
profit
levels.
loss available in premium. Okay, so you have to have account over here. All right. So he bought at 95, basically.
Holy smokes.
And that was just.
It's just that slow, painful grind.
Click on the line. What's
Oh
the
my
line?
goodness.
Just that simple.
So send,
Don't overthink it.
received.
All right,
Well, it feels pretty
upside 50.
comfortable in
Yeah,
this
go ahead,
area,
Jack.
Andre. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's hit a few news stories real quick.
Good.
As I mentioned before,
So, yeah.
with the CPI kind of maybe losing its top dog spot, bondman himself, Muhammad.
With the chart, you can see a lot of info. Yeah, I got this. So we kind of given having these areas where he sold or he bought, right? Is that correct? So he sold 394 Aave over here. Then he bought another 5,000. Click max to start. All right.
Next up, just
I see.
interesting thing here.
So this is all the chart.
There's so many rules and
month.
ratios and stuff. This is a
So-
little interesting. Apparently, there's a rule of 20 that says the market is fairly valued when the S&P 500.
So if I max timeline, you can see that we got
plus CPI at
too much the
20,
price, too much
which we have been significantly
price
above
area, but
for a
not
while.
very
For the record, everyone can say to some extent
not
we've
not
been,
that informative, I
overvalued. That
should
doesn't
say.
mean you
Like,
would have
can get on to 1 month, we got
I think,
more
if you
day
were
here.
doing
So,
this. Let me look at this a little bit closer.
so
I guess you buy in 2009,
right?
but you would have missed this rally. But yeah, things are a little bit expensive, but doesn't stop the market from going up. Don't let your feelings or biases get in the way of what is happening on your screens. We talked about the Mag 7. How about a quick Zuckerberg update?
Absolutely.
Marky Mark Zuckerberg unveiled an outlandish
So-
Roman statue of his wife.
So correct me if I'm wrong. So if he receiving Aave on this address, is that he's buying? That means that he's buying, or
Oh boy.
like Like for example, over here he bought
Yes.
there,
7 feet.
then he sold over
Ultimate-
here, right?
Ultimate
So
Wife Guide. I
is
love
this
that-
is
I love that
correct
phrase.
interpretation of
People in
this
chat, should
um,
bring back the
chart and what he's
Roman
doing,
idea
right?
of building a statue of your spouse.
There's only one answer. Yes.
Is that a good
Absolutely.
idea?
Yes.
Absolutely. Okay.
I love the fact that she went
Look
out
at
there
that
in her
cat.
like robe with a cup of coffee to take that picture.
Just a
So
normal
It's pretty
day.
bad. That's
Just
pretty
a-
sick.
Yeah.
It's like,
yeah,
yeah.
that's great, Mark. Thanks.
Oh,
Yeah.
these billions. Yeah, that's great, Mark.
okay,
All right, do I have
yeah.
to
So
stand beside it?
Yeah.
so then we can
Avatar
follow
spot.
on his trades, right? So
Yeah,
you can
billionaire.
see
And
what is he doing, if he is good or not.
yeah.
So basically, he bought at where is this?
I will
It was
get on Marvel and do it
I
myself.
I didn't see the
DIY.
99 at 99. He bought at 99. Then he sold at 105, 104 bought again,
88.
and 106 sold again. So currently still holding $6 million of Aave.
Cookies.
And the current price is what was the current price?
Our condolences to his family.
110. So current price
pretty cool
is
story if you
110.
want to read up on him. So
See, we need to
Right.
build a statue of him.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
was gonna
yeah,
say,
we're on the same
now
statue.
you're
It's a good way to check on what big money and insider info are doing. Okay,
so we're
yeah,
building,
yeah. This is really actually
the
interesting
volume point
part.
control
Most
right
of the
around
time,
here
I
in
just
ES,
trade through the charts. I
for the
read the charts and try to trade them.
Hang on.
But this is actually an interesting part of the
That's right.
cryptocurrency trading when you just look what are
Volume
big
point
guys doing,
control is way
and compare
low
them.
in
How do you spot
it's
this?
down to 400
How do you spot
lines,
these
and then just
addresses
pop
that
right in
are
there above that
whale
number.
addresses that the guys who are
For
actually
the
doing really
YN,
good
which
on this one?
continues to weaken,
How do
had a
you find them?
beautiful fade
Is there any resources
right
to
into its
to see this?
and now bouncing again, but its VPOC is
So yeah,
40,000.
back previous page. So what else he has? So he have
but it looks like it's running right into it.
Tether,
So
USDC,
YN providing
Bitters. What is
a fair
this?
bit of
Bitters.
motion just popped right on that
Mhm.
VWAP. You could see it here in
So
top step. I just have my other trading platforms up, so
so
you can see it coming right back into that edge
Mhm.
and just all the
it comes from
buyers
2 French
bringing
YouTubers. Okay,
it
I
up.
got you.
That backfill that
So
Yeah, he nailed
Captain's
it.
talking
well, I open it BTRST
absolutely
that he's
popping
holding
right
as
up
well,
in
and I
to
find that
that
okay, he
old,
possibly bought
resistance zone up there. The last
it
high
there at
made was
065
how long ago?
and current price at
20 minutes
048,
ago.
right? So that's next
20
LDO,
minutes ago.
LDO, where he bought. So recent.
So
So he
Overthinking.
making
Yep, it's all good.
small
Got
tries
those levels dude
of buying
says.
this
I like the
coin.
back
Yeah,
fills.
I got this
So you gotta
point
put a floor to 390 to
because
405.
sometimes you see that okay, this kind of coin or this kind of token looks interesting in terms of buy and hold, and you try once again, it's not going up, then you sell,
Rob Smith,
and yeah, I got the point.
who died
So he
last
bought
year,
9,000 over
he
here.
would always talk about these
So
big
120,
candlesticks,
800,
just so long as they
8,000,
hold that
8,200.
retrace.
So
and
basically,
stay.
he bought over
Stay.
here 9,000
Also,
tokens
looks at that,
where it was. So
and,
he's still currently
it's just
holding
holding 'em
300,000. Oh my god.
solidly.
Yeah,
not giving it
you
up.
got it.
50% fade. Just
Selling
buy
over
it with your
here.
eyes closed.
Yep.
Interesting. This is really interesting. Sometimes some things new
Hit out
to me.
another
It's
bag.
really interesting, and yeah, I need to to research on more on that as well. That's this kind of interesting things.
Just having a hard time trying to get in.
Yeah, sometimes the charts is too long to show
Need
plus
to
and
be
minus.
here
Yeah,
for
exactly.
today.
Sometimes the charts
I'm
is
trying to
not
get back
just
in there.
it's
JD's
not
got me covered.
that useful.
Good stuff.
Took a
And
Fritz.
most of the times on these platforms, like we got only charts,
That's
Right.
the
that
sound
are-
effect they
Or Fritz.
charts that are
Or Fritz.
in normal scale,
something's
not in
broken.
logarithmic
Tell me.
scale. And
the
when you
sound
when you
effect.
see the
know a
chart in the
Fritz.
normal
I
scale,
know a
sometimes it's
Fritz,
hard
and
to
I think about,
to see, especially on the altcoins,
Yeah,
which
the
price is
name
going down
sounds
dramatically or going up dramatically. You're not
I
going
guess
to
it's better
see
than
the
being
full
John.
picture in the normal chart. You need to
yeah.
have a logarithmic
Oh
chart.
yeah.
Oh,
Like
oh,
I mostly use logarithmic charts on the trading view,
I
and
wonder why that came up
for
too. I
coins
I
as
have
well,
no
especially
idea.
for coins, like you see over here, like I got this logarithmic chart, right? And if I got to normal chart, that's going to be a mess. You can see this chart. I barely see anything
Do you think?
on
But
this chart. I
that's
barely
let's go
see.
the risk.
I can only see that, okay, we got
I guess the
some
high-
area
the
of
high.
sideways, but when you got it to logarithmic chart,
To,
you're going to see some more
at the
differences
top, that's
to the
not a
price
bad spot to go
direction.
short.
And so for Aave, you can see here we got this range of 48, 50, and then
Just if you're
75,
above
and
the
120,
close of
21,
the prior candlestick
115.
on a 30-minute
That's the
chart,
range.
that's usually
And like
need to wait for a topping.
I can say that potentially,
we've
like
got
for long term,
balance
we
that's
got
done in,
here
what,
some kind of
6
cup and
minutes?
handle shape,
Yes.
you know,
Maybe we see a
and that
I
could,
don't know why I said
just
this. Maybe we see a failed upside
go
off.
really, really hard to the upside.
Now you're talking.
And from
Yeah, we're kind
Look
of.
at-
Fibonacci
look at me
standpoint,
with the lingo.
we got
Yeah, hello.
we got a couple levels to go.
It's been a couple years.
A little bit messy
Speaking
over
of lingo,
here
John,
with
I did some
Fibonacci's
research back there. The reason it is
and
called
stuff. I'm
John
going
is
to
because
delete
the
this.
forerunner,
So what we got
the
here is
first flushing toilet was
0618.
known as the
We already
Ajax,
reached it
was invented
a couple
by
of
one
times,
Sir
and
John
at 130, it's at 130.
Oh.
Next level is 177,
Yeah, it's just like
which
Elvis.
is about
And
70% plus if you
yeah,
if you
and then
like buy and hold from current
there was
prices,
also
right?
Thomas
And another
Crapper,
level,
who
which is
founded
also
Thomas
interesting,
Crapper
is
and Co. in London,
242.
but that was much
Can I-
later.
Can
So
I tell
yeah,
you, when I was in London, they still have. I went to this super famous
so yeah.
breakfast
So
place
this is
that
kind of
everybody
I'm
Canary Wharf
sorry.
goes to in the morning. And
Sorry guys, I noticed that
it's so
as
very
well. So
bougie. But
I need to
you
hide
go
this
in there,
one.
you went to the bathroom, and they
I draw so many things over here, and then yeah. Thanks Silvan to point this out. So what I have drawn here on this Aave chart is that on the logarithmic scale we see more, more price action and more trending action actually on the chart. So basically on Aave I see long term there's developing really big cup and handle, and yeah, I'm looking for levels like 130, 170, and 240, maybe 200 ish. Like that's going to be a nice that's going to be a nice levels to reach. Let's hope this year going to be a profitable for everybody, and that's going to be a nice. If we're going to see this breakout and go into to 170s, 180s, 200s, that's going to be awesome. That's going to be awesome actually. Let's see how it will go, because right now the price is really choppy, and the only positives around Aave that I see personally is this Bitcoin chart. We got some rising action coming from this chart over here, and this is kind of, this kind of interesting to me. This is it. This is from all time. So we got to a point we got to this point where we are falling below 1,200. And it kind of reminds me one of these what we had in the past that moved like this. If I recall correct, it was EOS. Let me check. Kind of looking like this part of EOS, like when we get, you know, and we followed exactly on this point, right? So, you know, very so yeah. I hope you get the point. Right. So what we currently have on the Bitcoin right now, we currently bouncing off 59,200s and going back to 59,400s. Kind of missed this wedge. Over here. S&P. Oh my god, few bucks below my target. Oh my god, this is well. And S&P is actually making this parallel channels. That is interesting. Really interesting to see. Let's hope that we're going to get. I'm going to move stop loss to profits over here. Anyway, we are really close to our target price at 524. Let's see if we're going to touch it or not. S&P is quite slow compared to other markets, especially to Bitcoin. So, and Bitcoin is chopping around 59,400 for another. So what we got here, we got on the 30-minute time frame, we got this candlestick. I don't really like how it looks, but it's kind of neutral candlestick. Don't quite remember the actual name of it, but yeah, it is what it is. So for BTC, what we got over here? Can we trade it? Can we got any good trade over here? I hope so. We broke through 59,450, but we're still below 49,500, which is right there, 59,500. Let's see if we're going to break above. That's going to be a nice. But so far we're still there. So. Trying to break. 497, 499, 488, 490. What is S&P doing? Come on! Get to the take profit. Just $1. $1 below, and we got to the target. Just only $1 of the price action. Come on. Let's go. I will be not surprised if S&P is going to just avoid my take profit and go straight to the, dump to the 500s once again today. I'm not going to be surprised by that. You see this? It's just all over the place. It's just pushing right around my target profit. that is just nonsense. Come on. Oh my god. So let's see where we at. Okay, we survived through all of this price action. We survived through all of this price action, and I kind of looking for this range for 505, and we're still above it. Kind of good to see this, that market is respecting this one. But oh my god, we cannot reach to 24, 25. Can break through 23s. That is just a shame. That's a shame. Right. So guys, thank you for those likes that you put below this video. I really appreciate this one. Really appreciate this one. Thank you. So, wow, Bitcoin rejected 500s again, and we still there. We're still below this one. So I'm going to check. I'm going to check other charts and charts as well to see maybe we can get some push to the upside from S&P once again. Nope. So back to Bitcoin. That's kind of more interesting to me. I would really like to get some good trade on Bitcoin today. What an saturated day for this one. All right, so we're trying to break through 500s. That is, I see this is kind of goal for today. Yep, breaking through 500s. Let's try small long over here. Don't want to risk too much. I'm going to put stop loss below 400s. 393, fine. Oh yeah, we finally got the profit on the S&P 500. That's awesome. We got these profits over here. $100. That is awesome. Yeah, so I entered small long over here on Bitcoin. Let's see how it will go. Still don't know if we're going to break through these 500s once again or not. That is what I'm looking for. That is what I'm looking for. We need to break through 500s and 600s as well, but that is kind of shaky area. on today's chart. Really hard to break through these levels. Really hard to break through these levels. I will not surprised if Bitcoin is going to, to go around my entry and stop loss once again. I'm not going to surprise by that. But yeah, let's see. Because yesterday was really roasting day. The prices just chopped at me all over the places. I barely managed to get an entry of the short below 58,900. And then close it. I only get notification only this morning at 9 a.m. by my time. It's CFTC +3, I guess. And I only got this take profit at 57,800 only by morning. So it was really frustrating because when you try to scalp on the Bitcoin, I don't really want to get trades all over through the night. I want to sleep safely, and yeah. So so looking for this trade, 59,530 still hovering around. S&P, thankfully we got our take profit, thankfully. Right. So let's see if we can get another profits today. That's going to be amazing. So far we are almost 2 hours on this stream. That is awesome. And so far we are down by $400. It's not too much, but yeah, I want to get in the green zone today. So I want to get in the green zone today. Let's see where we at. So 59.30, 59.530. Still moving around. Still moving around this one. Not. I don't see the buyer. Buyers not stepping in. It's not there. Kind of still moving around 559, 500s. We need some buyers over here. Need to break through these levels. Get back to the charts over here. I want to see. So you can see how thin is this area actually. We are trading. If we look on the Bitcoin chart over here, we can see that this area is very thin, and we don't have any kind of strong supports or strong resistances. We're kind of bouncing around, and I guess everybody in pretty much the same room over here. So let's check. So it's very dense. Okay. So we got over to through 59,400 over here. We got over, but yeah, 17 minutes before this candlestick going to close, and we're going to get another candlestick on our chart, and then let's see. I'm going to stay for this 70 minutes more, and yeah, going to see how it's going to close. Maybe we're going to get another stop loss over here. Maybe not. So far, not successful, but yeah, it is what it is. So what we got today? We got today we got and we're going to stop loss over here. I guess we're going to break through the stop loss because we already kind of low below this low, but yeah, let's see. So this is real struggle around 59,500. Real struggle. That is. That is real struggle around 500s. Let's see. So So in total, we got today minus 360 bucks to be precise. That's altogether from these trades that are went to the stop loss on the Bitcoin and plus 100 bucks on the S&P. So far, not really good, but yeah, it is what it is. Sometimes you just make these losses and you learn new things, and you know. So far we got this really hard struggle around 59 500. If we're going to break through, we're going to get a good entry and good take profit over here. But for now, it's just not making any moves over here. So I'm looking for 59 800. I guess we're going to reach this if we're going to break successfully through this. But so far, so we don't break it. So still going on here. And what is actually really interesting here as well is that we got really small volume on this really small volume. Not much of a volume. So we compare it to volume what we got after the initial market open in US, and then in the 8:30 9:30, so we got this volume over here on US Open, New York session, then Chicago session, and the only volume we got here is this small push to the 59,500. And right now the volume is just drying out. So yeah, it is what it is. Let's see, pushing through 59,600. So hourly high at 59,750. We got 7 minutes to go. 7 minutes to go before the candlestick close. Sorry, not 7 minutes. We got 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Wrong timer. S&P new daily highs. 55.27. 55.27. We secured the profits over here, plus $100, so that's good. Bitcoin trying to break 59, almost 700. Almost 700. Let's see. The hourly high at 59,746, almost 47. Right. And got this rejection candle over here. Rejection candle of 59,700. $10 minutes to go. 10 minutes before another hourly candlestick popping out. Let's see where we're going to be at this hourly closing price. So far we are fighting for 59,700. Fighting for 59,700 and see how it's go. Yeah, we got the breakout. 59,720. 59,720. At another rejection over here. Another sellers over here. Some big bidder step in. Let's see, guys. What do you think? We're going to break through 59,700 today or not? That's the key. That's the key level for today, to break through this level. 59,700. What do you guys think? We going to break or are we going to stay? fee 590, 80, 60. That is frustration because we got 8 minutes to go. We got 8 minutes to go, but we don't break through the previous hourly high, so that is frustration. Sylvain saying yes, bigger high. I hope so, but let's see what the market is going to print. 7 minutes to go. All right, so I'm going to watch what is S&P doing here. New daily highs printed at 55.92. 29, sorry. 55.29. And kind of choppy price action over here. I don't know if they are trying to buy the dip and then sell high. If this is the case, then it's going to be interesting. But right now, I'm not really sure it's going to hold there. Once again, we waiting for this hour to close. 7 minutes to go. And yeah, we're going to see that if we're going to break higher or not. So far, it looks like S&P is going to stop right here at 530s. That is possibility. And Bitcoin back to 59,530s, 20s, still there. Silvan said 61,300, 61,500-ish. That's the target for the price action. Okay, 61,300. Oh my God. This is pretty high. This is kind of high at the top of the range. And basically, even not a daily range. Like, it's kind of more like a weekly range. 61,300. Where is this? 61,300, 61,500. So in this range. So you're marking in this range. And yeah, it's kind of would be great. It kind of would be great to see breakout to these levels, but I mean, we're kind of struggling over here at 59,500. We kind of break through it. We kind of get what we wanted, but and since then we still there. We still hovering around 59,500, and yeah. So going to check how is longs and shorts doing. Longs and shorts currently on Bitcoin at longs at 46.3 and shorts at 53.7. So longs 46.3, shorts 53.7. That is interesting. That is interesting. That is interesting. Shorts are dominating currently. 55, 56 on the shorts. So I guess we're going to stop out again today. What a day. Day of stop loss. It's kind of interesting shape over here. It's kind of looking like expanding, megaphone or whatever the shape it is. Pointing out to my stop loss. So yeah, that's going really fast. So 4 minutes to go. We got breakout. We got stop out from this trade again. And market dipping down 59,300, 59,350. Dipping more. So that's kind of sucks. So we got rejected from 59,700 and dropping to 59,300. What is the other check marks for today? I don't even know. Kind of exhaustion, right? 59,100 maybe rebound. Yeah, it's kind of could be the rebound level, but if you got 59,100, you can see this is previous hourly low. I don't know. I don't know if we're going to get there. It's actually you can see that today we most likely mostly printing higher lows over here. And if we looking at closing prices, we got almost higher highs, right? But exactly high was at 59,750. So anyway, we got this kind of channel range. So let's see where it's going to land. We got 2 minutes, 2 minutes before, even 1 minute, 1 minute before the go, before the another candlestick to pop out. Let's see, because previous candlestick was kind of neutral, but that being said, this candlestick is going to close in 1 minute, and if we're going to get closing below this previous candlestick, that's going to be a bearish signal for the market. So let's see, 1 minute to go. Where is it going to close? Let's see, 40 seconds. 59,400, stay in 59,400 there. Going higher before. That's 25 seconds to go. 25. Stay in there. And drop below. In there again. That's it. 10 seconds to go. 5. That's it. So new hourly candlestick going out. Let's see what we got here. It's kind of weak candlestick to me. Let's see how it will go. Really long shadows to the both sides. That is not good. So yeah, that could potentially propel to the downside. It potentially could propel to the downside. 59,300. The volume is just dried out. There is no volume. We've got basically no volume whatsoever on here on this. So we're going to dump or we're going to pump here. I don't really know. That's been said. We got rising channel over here, and it's really choppy. So it's likely that we get some kind of wedge. With this kind of zigzags over here. Really choppy price action, then that's let's see how it can go. And we're just staying. You see that level is just there. We just not moving too much. So hourly highs, 59,750. Hourly lows, 59,100. Kind of bouncing back from this support line. Bouncing back. I mean, it would be too easy to to trade if we're going to like to go long from here, right? Like we got every time we got this area, we go long, right? This is kind of, it would be too easy. That could be a trap here. Let's see what you guys think. Should we go long here or we go short over there? Let's see, Silvan, what do you think? And Brian, I think Brian also watching this. Brian, let me know what do you think. What you think about this? Should we go long over here or short? This is kind of tricky situation. Honestly, tricky situation. Really tricky. I was trying both. I was trying short and trying long today. It was kind of really hard to do. And yeah, S&P's trying to hold and trying to break through 30s. Nice over here. What we got here? So breaking through 30s, and new daily highs once again on S&P. So yeah, I got response from Sylvain, sorry. Long tail 61,300, 61,500. I got your point. Short to sell. What kind of sell? What kind of stop loss do you think is appropriate on this one? Now, I mean, I'm really interesting to see, like you guys doing this because everybody is different. Everybody's seeing market differently, and the strategy is different for many people. So I always like to see new information, and it's kind of was kind of new insight for me from you today for to see on the on-chain data, to see on-chain whales what they are doing, what they are picking up, and yeah, it's kind of interesting. And I got an answer from Brian as well. So long with stop loss below lower trend line. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. It's kind of interesting point. Let's see how it will go. So you guys saying long over here, and yeah, we can imagine that. For now, let's see. This is kind of situation where we got more than 2 hours, and in these 2 hours we barely move it at all. Like when we see on the 30-minute chart time frame, you can see these candlesticks. We barely move it from from 59,500, and right now we are trying to break through 59,500, but not successfully. From what I can say, I can agree with Brian that okay, we could potentially try take a long entry over here with a tight stop loss at 59,350. That's kind of viable option, I think. Then, however, that's looking weak. It's looking weak to me. Sweeping through 59,360s. 365, 360s, back again. So let's see. The 333 going below. Coin kind of starting to move kind of quickly, but no volume at all. No volume whatsoever. So we got kind of breakout through from this line. 59,300s. Going to sell a little bit from here. Let's try this one. I put stop loss over here. $100 stop loss. Let's see, we broke through this trend line. We broke through it. So this is my last trade for today, I guess. And let's see how it will go. I don't really like this one. I'm not pushing too much. And step out from here. So that's it for today, guys.
All right.
Let's just finish this up. We've been from for like 2 hours, 2 hours and a quarter, and that's been a great time with you guys. I hope we're going to meet tomorrow as well, at the same time, or maybe a little bit earlier, because I want to get on the markets on the New York Open, because today I started at I think 30 minutes later than New York Open, so we got ourselves in this position, but we could start our daily live streams from this area, which is going to be more interesting to follow up. So for today, we got let me check once again. So we got minus $400. So anyway, we're going to pick up the next day. So let's see how it goes. And thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you guys for pushing likes below this video. This is really helping. And yeah, we're going to see tomorrow. And I'm going to send you notification over the Telegram, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel as well and click a notification bell. Then you get a notification before this live stream is going to start. So that's going to be a win situation for everybody. And yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in today. Hope you're going to get a profitable night, and see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.